All right, so we're back for another episode, and since winter's just around the corner, I thought that we would shoot something about the winter activities that you can do here in Maine. And this first spot is a place that's near and dear to myself and my family. We try to get up there every weekend, and that's Sugarloaf Mountain, one of the premier mountains in the northeast. You should check it out when you're here. Great vertical, wonderful places to glade ski. Awesome little village to have lunches and beers and hang out with the family and warm up with some hot cocoa, as well as grab a donut from 88 Donuts and maybe hit the Rack or some of the other restaurants that are there. Sugarloaf is one of Maine's largest ski mountains. It's up in Carrabassett Valley, about 2-hour drive from Portland. It's home to some of the best skiers in the world. Seth Westcott came out of Sugarloaf as a gold medal winner in the Olympics. If you live here in the winter, then you've realized that you need to have an outdoor activity in the winter time. It makes winter go by so much quicker and enjoyable. So pack up your skis, head to Sugarloaf. It's about 60 miles away, as I said, about a 2-hour drive. It's an easy drive, a beautiful drive, and grab a condo and stay the weekend. Activity number 2, it's the lobster dip in Old Orchard Beach. So the lobster dip at Old Orchard Beach, it is a fundraiser for the Special Olympics. Everybody gathers together and jumps into the ocean, I believe on January 1st. We'll check that date for you and put it in the show notes below. During spot number 3, you can go down to Kennebunk and you can celebrate Christmas at Dock Square. This is a really charming village setting. They go all out. It's a great place to go walk and check out shops and have some lunch. It's right by the sea. It's a really wonderful spot to hang out. Spot number 4, Thompson's Point. You can go to Thompson's Point and go ice skating. They have an outdoor ice skating rink there. You can get hot cocoa in the yurt, as well as there are other restaurants and distilleries and breweries right next door to Thompson's Point as well. So while you're down there, you can check out that whole area of Thompson's Point. The Children's Museum is down there as well. Spot number 5, Mount Abram, which is a ski mountain here in Maine as well, and they allow a winter hike. Every winter during the full moon, Mount Abram does a winter hike. So for the brave souls, you can climb to the top of the mountain, and as you hike up, your ski gear will be transported to the top of the mountain, where you then will ski down. While living in Maine, the winters may be cold, but our activities are endless. So you really want to get out and check out Maine in the wintertime. Hiking, biking, skiing, all wonderful things to do, as well as polar plunges, all wonderful things to do in the wintertime here in Maine. If you'd like to move to Maine, or if you have any questions about living in Maine, reach out to us, 207-553-2400. We'd be more than happy to help you find a home here. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you have any recommendations, hit the comments below and we'll be more than happy to do a video on that part of Maine for you.